In the intricate world of wealth management, the affluent have long mastered the art of concealing their riches, whether for taxation purposes or other reasons. So let's embark on a journey through some of the most prevalent methods employed by the wealthy to safeguard their assets. While these strategies are technically legal, they often raise ethical and moral questions due to their potential to diminish tax revenues for governments. Nevertheless, delving into these methods can offer valuable insights into the complex ways in which the rich protect their wealth. So today I'll take you to the top 10 sneaky ways the wealthy conceal their fortunes. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Conservative easements or restrictions. Imagine you own a vast expanse of land, but instead of letting it lie dormant, you decide to leverage conservative easements to your advantage. Conservative easements are essentially agreements between landowners and the government that transfer certain land rights to an easement holder. However, the land's ownership remains firmly within your hands, allowing you to maintain control over its usage and upkeep. Whether you choose to farm that land, preserve it as a forest, or simply live on the property, the choice is yours. By utilizing conservative easements, some savvy individuals have managed to slash their gross income by a whopping 50%. This strategy not only provides financial benefits, but also encourages landowners to conserve and protect their properties. Take the United States, for instance, where landowners can snag federal income tax deductions equivalent to the appraisal value of the land by granting qualified land to recognized conservative bodies. It's a win-win situation that illustrates why the affluent often turn to conservative easements to shield their wealth. Number 2. Municipal bonds. Now imagine a scenario where the wealthy seek refuge from excessive taxation in the comforting embrace of municipal bonds. These bonds, typically issued by local governments or their agencies, serves as a means to finance vital public projects such as infrastructure improvements and educational initiatives. Investors eagerly snap up these bonds, enticed by their promise of higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts. Municipal bonds act as a protective shield for wealth, ensuring its safety while generating steady interest over time. For those who value a reliable income stream, municipal bonds become an irresistible option. This strategy not only preserves wealth, but also provides a reliable source of income, making it a favorite among the well-heeled. Number 3. Offshore tax havens. The allure of offshore tax havens. Those secretive sanctuaries where the wealthy stash their assets away from prying eyes and grasping hands. These jurisdictions, known for their lenient tax policies and strict private laws, offer a haven for those seeking to safeguard their fortunes. However, threading into the realm of offshore banking requires caution, as it can often skirt the boundaries of legality in many countries. Switzerland, with its legendary privacy regulations and formidable security measures, stands as a beacon among offshore tax havens. Meanwhile, the Cayman Islands beckon with promises of financial discretion and asset protection. By parking their wealth in offshore accounts, the affluent can enjoy the perks of earning interest while ensuring the safety of their assets. It's a strategic move that continues to entice those looking to shield their wealth from prying eyes of taxation authorities. Number 4. Section 199A. The Section 199A deduction is also fondly known as the Qualified Business Income Deduction. This nifty provision extends its benevolent arms to a wide array of entities, from sole proprietorships to partnerships, S corporations, and even those elusive limited liability companies. Picture this deduction as a magician's hat, capable of conjuring up tax savings of up to 20% of one's business income. What sets this deduction apart from its peers is its unique calculation method. It doesn't rely on actual economic expenditure, but rather on assumed business income. It's like getting a discount on your taxes without having to produce a single receipt. For the wealthy, the Section 1998 deduction is akin to finding a hidden treasure chest filled with gold coins. With a stroke of a pen or perhaps a click of a mouse in today's digital age, eligible taxpayers can enjoy substantial tax savings while keeping more of their hard-earned money safely tucked away. Number 5. Offshore bank accounts. Now let's set sail for the high seas of global wealth management, where the affluent navigate the waters of offshore bank accounts with the finesse of seasoned captains. Much like a diversified investment portfolio, the wealthy understand the importance of spreading their wealth across different jurisdictions. After all, it's risky to keep all of your financial eggs in one proverbial basket, especially when that basket comes with a hefty tax obligation. Enter offshore bank accounts, those secretive vaults nestled in the far-flung corners of the world, beckoning with promises of financial confidentiality and minimal taxation. While the primary motivation behind offshore banking may be to evade the clutches of exorbitant taxation, it's crucial to note that these accounts aren't reserved solely for the elite. Anyone with a bit of financial savvy can dip their toes into the offshore waters and potentially reap the rewards of tax-free income. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the ThriveWise love so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, number 6. Charitable investments. Altruism, the noble pursuit of doing good in the world while also reaping the rewards of financial savvy. Charitable investments provide the wealthy with a unique opportunity to conceal their wealth while making a meaningful impact on society. Imagine this: instead of hoarding their riches like misers, the affluent choose to channel their wealth into charitable organizations, supporting causes near and dear to their hearts. But here's the kicker: these donations aren't just acts of generosity, they're also savvy financial maneuvers. By directing their funds towards charitable causes, donors can enjoy a host of tax benefits, from deductions on their current taxes to the potential for tax-free growth on their contributions over time. It's like planting seeds of goodwill that not only nourish the soul, but also yield bountiful returns in the form of tax savings. Number 7. Offshore subsidiaries. When it comes to concealing wealth on a grand scale, offshore subsidiaries emerge as a favored tactic among the affluent, particularly within the corporate landscape. Picture this: large corporations and international entities setting up shop in foreign countries with enticingly low corporate tax rates. These offshore subsidiaries serve as havens of sorts, allowing companies to minimize their tax burdens by shifting income to jurisdictions where taxes are less burdensome. The strategy is simple yet effective. By registering subsidiaries in countries with lower tax rates, corporations can slash their overall tax liabilities. It's like playing a financial game of chess, strategically moving income pieces to minimize losses while simultaneously maneuvering expenses to countries with higher tax rates. While this approach may be common among corporate giants, individuals can also emulate this strategy to shield their wealth through offshore subsidiaries. Number 8. Money gift giving. Money gift giving is a time-honored tradition embraced by the affluent to stay within the bounds of tax regulations while safeguarding their assets. Here's the lowdown: while generous gifts are certainly appreciated, they can also attract unwarranted attention from tax authorities if they exceed certain thresholds. To navigate these tax regulations, individuals often resort to clever tactics, such as dividing their gifts into smaller amounts or directing funds towards specific purposes like education or medical expenses. By doing so, they can leverage exemptions and deductions to minimize their tax liabilities. Take, for example, the federal gift tax of the United States, which allows for tax-free gifts of up to $15,000 per recipient. By staying within these limits and strategically allocating gifts, individuals can effectively conceal their wealth while staying on the right side of the law. Number 9. Qualified Opportunity Zones. Enter the world of qualified opportunity zones, a tantalizing prospect for those looking to protect their wealth while capitalizing on lucrative incentives. These designated zones, aimed at revitalizing economically disadvantaged areas, offer a unique opportunity for investors to make a positive impact while reaping financial rewards. Investors flock to these zones like bees to honey, drawn by the promise of capital gains, incentives, and the potential for substantial financial gain. By funneling their investments through opportunity funds, investors can access a host of tax benefits, making it an attractive option for the wealthy seeking to safeguard their assets. Number 10. Life Insurance. Last but certainly not least, we have life insurance, a tried and tested method for individuals, including the wealthy, to safeguard their wealth with the added bonus of tax-free benefits. Imagine this: opening an account with an insurance company and making regular payments in accordance with the policy's terms. What sets life insurance apart is its tax-free nature, shielding transactions from prying governmental eyes. Premium payments and loans acquired from the insurance company remain untouched by taxation, providing a haven for wealth preservation. And in the unfortunate event of a policyholder's passing, the beneficiary receives the full sum without any deductions, a comforting thought for those looking to secure their financial legacy. Well, that's basically the top 10 sneaky ways the wealthy conceal their fortunes. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.